Hi everybody, welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. Happy New Year, happy holidays. I know a lot of people watching me in Italy, in Ukraine, and Russia, of course in United States, and we still have lots of common holidays. And I create this beautiful eye look using Lancome eyeshadow palette. Look at this beautiful purplish pinkish eyeshadow. I'm gonna teach you how to create this eye look. I'm gonna teach you how to use concealer, we'll say cut crease for my eye. Sit down, relax. If you like, please watch this video, comments below, and let's start. We're gonna use only 4 colors. Oh, I showed in 3. No, we're gonna use only 4. So funny. Okay, let's start. Before we're gonna use this eyeshadow, I already have foundation on me, and it's Lancome Tinted Doll. On my lips, I have lip liner from Yves Saint Laurent number 70, also lipstick from Clinique number 14, and it's a plum pop. I really like it. It's a beautiful, soft, like pinky color. And I have Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and it's brand Sweet. I look already like kind of perfect to go somewhere, but I do like to put a little bit eyeshadow on my eyes. And again, we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Lancome. But trick, I do not want make my like eyeshadow too purpley, and we're gonna make this like a very subtle eye look. Okay, first my step, I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from Lancome. Your eyeshadow gonna stay all day long, not run, not crease, and you will see a true color. Okay, let's sit down, enjoy this video, comments below, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Katya Beauty Style. Okay, let's start. Love you. On entire my eyelid, I apply an eyeshadow primer. After applying eyeshadow primer, I'm using number 17 brush, and I just set in my primer with loose powder. I using Lancome Absolute loose powder because it's a hydrating powder, and it's gonna just set my eyeshadow primer, and it's eyeshadow will go much more easy, and they will go much more small on my eyelid. Second step, I'm gonna use this color number 2, I will name, and I'm gonna use Lancome brush, and it's a brush number 17. It's an angle brush. I'm sorry, it's number 13. Yes, 13. It's an angle brush, and it's a perfect brush for middle color. I'm lifting my little bit eye, and it's a middle color I apply with big brush, and all what we'll do, we just spread it this beautiful like purpley pinky color look very soft. And I always like Lancome eyeshadow because they go so beautiful and small on your eyelid, or at least on my eyelid. Same color, we're gonna little bit apply under. My second color, it will be this beautiful purple color, and I'm using a smaller brush from Lancome, and it's number 12. I'm slightly lifting my eye, and this is where I put in this darker purple color. And we're making like a small letter C. Now I'm gonna use brush 17 Lancome and I'm gonna blend these eyeshadows. Again, brush number 12. I have some little bit left over this purplish eyeshadow and I apply it on my bottom lash line and connecting colors together. Again, grab big brush and blend one more time everything together. Now I'm gonna use this darker color. Again, I'm gonna lift my eye and I'm gonna again make like a small tiny letter C. Now I'm gonna use another brush and it's a Chanel older brush number 20 and I'm gonna blend this. Now I'm gonna use concealer. It's a brand NARS Radiance Cream Concealer and I have color light 2. After applying concealer, I'm using another brush, but this brush it's clean. Again, it's Lancome brush number 18 and I'm gonna use this number 1 color on this palette and it's a lighter color and we're gonna apply on top of my concealer. Will give me nice extra pop. Same eyeshadow I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrows for extra eye lift. Also, let's put a little bit on the corner this lighter color. This color. We're almost done. I hope this is a very easy look for you, but I think it's very pretty. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, liquid eyeliner, and of course mascara. For liquid eyeliner, I'm using Clinique because I really like this small tiny brush. And all what I do, just press close to my lash line. Now I'm gonna lift my eye and I'm gonna use my lash curler. To make my lashes full and long, I always use Lancome primer, eyelash primer. Have lots of vitamins and it's make a huge difference. And for mascara, I'm gonna use Grandiôse Extreme mascara. It will make again your eyelashes really big and long. I like this formula and I do like this special like brush. Look at this, like so unique brush. This mascara never clumps and again it's big, good separation, lots of volume. We're almost done. I finished my eye look with Lancome eyeshadow, Extreme Grandiôse. It's so pretty. Again, my eyeshadow looks so pretty. It's my eyes pop. It's really important to use concealer right there because eyeshadow again grabbing colors and they look much more vibrant. I hope you like this look and I will see you in my next video. Please follow me on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Stylist.